sorry I'm late. The professor just kept us. Oh my god, that guy could talk. Is everything okay?
Everything's fine. Why wouldn't it be?
Alright, well if everything's okay, everything's okay. Julia, we should talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm okay. Tell me about your day.
Well, it started off kind of shitty. I had to call AAA because the car was just stalled on the side of the road.
I don't want to hear about the car. How was school? How about school?
I did get my bio midterm back.
Oh God, what did you get on it?
Well...
You can tell me. I'm not gonna laugh.
No faith! I got an A! Oh my god, you're the worst!
That's amazing, Connor.
And you're still laughing! You said you wouldn't laugh!
Knock it off.
Face it, you are dating a genius.
Whatever, Connor, or should I say Einstein?
I prefer Connor the all-knowing. And speaking of all-knowing, here's something you should know. My professor today, he assigned this whole new project where we have to make a diorama of World War II. Okay, and you know how awful I am with art stuff. This thing is gonna look like shit. And that's not even the worst part. I need to fit this huge diorama that he wants me to do in the car, in my little small car, and it's and I have to bring it up.
No.
What did I do? Are you okay?
Your car's fine. It's fine. I don't want to talk about the car.
Jules,
Shut up. Shut up.
we should talk.
I don't want to.
Julia.